Hi, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm on to share with you my new happy planner for 2026, and it's going to be my catch-all like the last one for this year, 2025. I have made my 4 extra dividers to go into here. These are my scrapbook papers that I rummaged through and decided to use. And I also have got a back pocket. This piece is to put on the side, so it gives it a bit of an opening, more of an opening. So that's me. The 4 dividers are going to be, let's see, we've got budget, meal plan, household, and well-being. I'm going to keep them to the 4, even though I've got my self-care planner for well-being, but I'm going to just keep them to the 4. I might decide to add something else. So it won't be the well-being, but I will keep it just in case I want to add something else. Maybe, I don't know, not notes, because I can stick notes at the back of anywhere. I'll have to see. I'll have to see. Right, so what I will do is label these up and also punch the holes and try and get the envelope done before I end the video. So let me get my tools and I will show you how I'm going to do everything. I'm having some spiced ginger, warm up my body. It's very cold outside. I'm going to change this. This is from the white one to the clear, so I can put the headings on. Oh, okay, so budget is first. Do I want it in capitals? Yes, I do. Right, I have these and I will just cut them. So I've got miscellaneous, I have got household, and I have got meal plan. So I'll just get these on, just make sure that they fit. Sometimes they're a little bit too big. Alright, let me just check budget. Then I've got meal plan. I've put the writing sort of near to the top so that I can see it properly when the planner's closed. It's so pretty. Household. fine. I'm not quite sure if you know, but I do have a budgeting channel and I really have not been on there for a few months, but I'm starting back nice and fresh. If not for next month, which is December, it will be definitely January. I'm thinking whether I should just start fresh January, call it a day. And this is so pretty, look at that. This one is miscellaneous, I will call it for now. If I decide on what I want it to be, then I can always print what it's going to be, reprint miscellaneous. Okay, and I'll just put that on the top there. There we go. This is the most important, yeah, this is the most important planner because it's a catch-all, and even though I've got my self-care and that is very important to me, I can still put everything in here. All right, let's get this done. Should we? Where's household? Should be after meal plan. That's it, and miscellaneous. So we've got budget, and we'll get this one done first. Right. My battery seems to be going quite fast lately. Right. Okay. That's done. Oh, what did I say? I was going to change. I am going to change the discs when I finished with the 2025 planner. Because these are the plastic ones and I've got the metal ones. Okay, there we go. So we've got everything all together. There we go. And what I would like to do now is the pockets. So this is how I do it. I don't know about anybody else, but this is the easiest way for me to do. I'll just mark it so I know. Mark it here. And then I want to, this might be a little bit too big, so if I just do it like this. Do another one. So they will both go like this. Yeah. to dry. Got to let it dry. I will change the battery and come straight back. Go in here. Let's do this. Because it's got the plastic on it, I don't want too much glue because it's just going to be awkward. We've got, see, I'll just leave that to dry. I have got an extension so I can put bits and bobs in there. Definitely needs drying. So that is that so far. And then I'm going to print out my budgeting sheets for here. I've only got one type and I just alter them as I go along because there's no point having this one and that one and the other one. I personally just get confused if I just have one and then I alter it, whether it says weekly budgeting or whatever. I would alter it to be like January purchases and or no spend page, if you get what I mean. So that's what I'll do. I did purchase those ones from Etsy that I print out and I just use, I think, let me have a look, see if I've got a blank one here. Don't want to show all my business, but see, I've got these ones with the income source, the total, the budget, the actual, the bills, the dates, the due date, and so forth. Sometimes I don't use them because they just get a bit confusing for me, and I can just get on and do what I want with the ones I have. Because sometimes when things are customized, it doesn't mean that they're for you, you know, even though they're customized. They may not be customized. They're customized, but not specifically customized for your needs, if that makes sense. So I have this, and that's what I use, this bill tracker, and I will just alter it to put January purchases or what else? Let me see what else I've got. All my direct debits, my monthly direct debits, and I will use it for my annual payments as well, like the car insurance, life insurance and stuff like that, household insurance and stuff like that. That is paid on a yearly basis in bulk. But for the direct debits for electricity and gas and my Spotify and stuff like that, you know, it all gets separated and I know what I'm doing from there on. So that is how I do it for the budgeting. And it's packed, absolutely packed. I will be doing my meal plan, but I won't be doing any decorating, putting any food stuff like that. It's a lot of work. I won't be doing that. I did stop it just after summer. Couldn't make up my mind what I wanted to eat, so because I was just going through some kind of not wanting to eat but wanting to eat, because I'm a foodie. I love food, but I just was going with the flow and just taking it on a day-to-day basis. But for me, later on down, I realized, like last month, October or something, I realized that that's not working. I have to list things, and I have to be in order. I have to see it in black and white, so I know exactly what's going on in my brain. Because the day-to-day faffing around, wondering what I'm gonna eat, deciding late in the evenings what I'm gonna eat, and ending up eating very late and stuff like that. That's why I've been fasting from 6 o'clock in the evening till 10 o'clock in the morning, because I just need to eat very early and then forget about it, you know. But I'm back to meal planning in my new one now, and I will get things done. I have to say, I've been good. I have been good because I've been cooking in bulk and putting it in the freezer. So whenever I fancied a meal or something, I will just take it out the night before so it can defrost. And it gives me more time to do my chores and spend a bit more time in the craft room that I like to do. I'll leave it to dry a bit more. So let's bung that in there like that. And I could hold a lot more. You see? Right. So that's me done for my 2026 happy plan. I'm just going to maybe put my name in it. Crafty Go Chronicles or whatever. And I noticed that the horizontal one, it's got check marks, a box here, right here, with the check marks. So maybe I can use these as maybe a priority or something. I don't know. So I'm going to have a think through and see. But that's it. I'm very happy now that I've got my 2026 catch-all. And I will get started in it because my head has gone way ahead already into January already. So I might be, well, not might be, will be jotting things down in this planner. Thank you for staying with me. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.